Hello, YouTube. Snow, ice, rain, and severe weather are coming to central eastern U.S. this week. As warm air surges across much of the central and eastern United States this week, a potent storm will bring severe weather to some areas while rounds of snow and ice linger over the northern tier. As the thaw progresses, the potential for ice jams will increase. A series of potent storms will hammer California and parts of the West this week, but these storms will traverse the northern Rockies before emerging over the north central states and drift into the northeast. Initially, that storm will generate strong winds from the Rockies to the plains during the first half of this week, but on the colder side of the storm, the heaviest of snow east of the Rockies will be over the Canadian prairies, but some accumulating snow will fall in a narrow band that extends into parts of the Great Lakes region and the Northeast. In the central states, the heaviest snow, where a general 6 to 12 inches is forecast, will extend from the northern part of North Dakota to the northern part of Minnesota. Moderate snowfall on the order of 3 to 6 inches is foreseen from northern Michigan to portions of northern New York, Vermont, and New Hampshire at midweek. But on the southern edge of the snow, pockets of freezing rain and sleet will form. From Tuesday night to Wednesday, this zone will extend from near the North and South Dakota border to parts of northern Michigan, central New York, and central New England. Some of the ice rounds of rain and even thunderstorms are south of the ice, rounds of rain and even thunderstorms are expected. But since the first storm system is forecast to weaken as it moves eastward over the upper Midwest, thunderstorms with it farther south over the Midwest may be limited on Wednesday, but there may still be a few locally severe storms on Wednesday from Indiana to Ohio, as well as part of southern Michigan. As a second and likely stronger storm rolls across the north central states from Wednesday to Thursday, the likelihood of severe weather will be significantly higher, but locally severe storms may erupt on Wednesday over portions of the plains. However, Thursday could be a significantly severe weather day across much of the Midwest, but Thursday's severe weather threat includes the potential for multiple tornadoes. The combination of an ongoing thaw and rain over portions of the upper Midwest, the central Appalachians, and parts of the Northeast will increase the potential for ice jams and ice jam flooding with the two storms this week. Above freezing temperatures during the day and below freezing temperatures at night, for the most part, have allowed a more gradual thaw to occur up until this week. But as longer duration warmth leads to more snowmelt, the surge of water entering streams and rivers may trigger a rapid breakup of the ice cover. Where ice jams occur, there is a risk of significant flooding in unprotected areas upstream of the jams. Ice fishermen are urged to be extremely cautious this week, as ice cover on lakes may begin to break, potentially preventing an exit to shore. Where warm, moist air flows over cold ground and snow or ice cover, dense fog may form, further aggravating travel in the Midwest and the Northeast this week. It is possible a storm that swings through the Midwest and Northeast next weekend could track cold enough to bring snow to parts of the Ohio Valley, central Appalachians, and coastal Northeast. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below. Happy President's Day.